In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Stripe. We'll walk through this step by step inside the Stripe dashboard. And by the end, you'll know exactly where and when you can choose a different currency for your payments, payment links, invoices, or subscriptions. First, open your Stripe dashboard and sign into your account. You should land on the main overview page, where you can see your balance, recent payments, and other key information. Make sure you're in the correct environment, either test or live mode, depending on what you want to do. The process is the same in both. Now, look towards the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see a small plus icon. This plus icon is your starting point for creating new items in Stripe, such as payments, payment links, invoices, or subscriptions. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. When you click it, Stripe will show you several options. It's important to understand that you don't change a global account currency here. Instead, you choose a currency each time you create something that charges a customer. You can only set the currency when you are making a payment, creating a payment link, an invoice, or a subscription. For this demonstration, select the option to create a payment. This will open a new page or panel where you can fill in the details of that payment, such as the customer, amount, description, and so on. Focus on the amount field. Right next to the amount, you'll see a currency dropdown, usually showing a default like USD, ER, or whatever your account commonly uses. Click on that currency dropdown. This is where you actually change the currency for this specific payment. A list of available currencies will appear. Scroll through the list and click on the currency you'd like to use for this payment. Once you select it, the currency next to the amount field will update, and any subsequent calculations for that payment will be in the new currency. Before you continue, double check that the amount makes sense in that currency to avoid undercharging or overcharging. After you've seen how it works with a payment, go back to the dashboard and try the same flow with another method, like creating an invoice. Click the plus icon again, choose invoice. And when you're setting up the invoice amount, you'll find a similar currency dropdown. The behavior is the same. Pick the currency for that specific invoice. By repeating this with invoices, payment links, or subscriptions, you'll get comfortable choosing the right currency each time you charge your customers in Stripe.